Hi there. Honorable Raila Odinga has met President Dr. William Samoei Ruto today, and in fact, they have shaken hands. Of course, not in the context of calming maandamano or even discussing the economic matters facing the country, but they have met at the burial of Mukami Kimathi, who is Kenya's Mau Mau heroine and also former wife of the late Dedan Kimathi, who is one of the most famous freedom fighters in Kenya. They met during her burial in Nyandarua, and of course, they had smiles on their face while shaking hands. And even something quite exciting that the crowd actually was cheering Raila Odinga as he was entering in there, and all of them paid respect to the Kenya's heroine when it comes to freedom fighting, Mukami Kimathi. What do you all think about this? Quite exciting times ahead, but we hope this is gonna signify a unified country, and all of us need to work together as Kenyans to make our country better and stronger in these trying times around economic matters, and also just trying to pave the way with regards to how our future looks like. What do you all think about this handshake? Cheers, and I look forward to share with you other videos next time.